Today we have a special treat for you, a delicious recipe for tofu dry curry that is known as Varuval in Indian cuisine. You might have seen my Vege chicken Varuval, which is one of my popular videos. You'll find the link in the description below. Today we are cooking a similar dish, this time with tofu. Let's dive right in. For this recipe we will be using 4 extra firm tofu. Start by rinsing the tofu and patting it dry with a kitchen towel. Then cut the tofu into bite-sized triangles or rectangles, whichever you prefer. Now we will marinate the tofu with half a teaspoon salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder. Set it aside for about 10 minutes to absorb the flavors. Next, we will fry the tofu. You may also bake the tofu in an oven or air fry it as preferred. Allow it to cook until golden brown on all sides, taking about 5 minutes on medium heat. Remove the tofu and drain on kitchen towels. Next, slice 2 big onions to form rings. Fry the onion rings in the same oil. Make sure to flip it over and fry until light brown on all sides. Remove the onion slices and drain on kitchen towels. Next, we will prepare the curry base. We have red chilli powder, fennel powder, cumin powder and turmeric powder. Add some water and mix until you get a smooth curry paste. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a pan. Once the oil is hot, add spices. We have cloves, cinnamon, star anise and cardamoms here. Saute for about 1 minute. Then add curry leaves. Next, add ginger garlic paste and saute for 1 minute. Now pour the curry paste into the pan. Add some water, rinse out the bowl and pour into the pan. Saute for about 5 minutes until the raw aroma of the spices mellows down and the oil separates. Now we can add the pre-fried tofu pieces. Gently stir the tofu, ensuring it doesn't break apart. Cook the tofu for about 1 to 2 minutes, allowing it to absorb the flavors and develop a slightly crispy exterior. Once the tofu has cooked to your desired texture, add some brown sugar and soya sauce. You may use salt instead of soya sauce if preferred. Finally, add the pre-fried onion slices and stir until the curry is almost dry. This is the texture we want. All the spices coating the tofu pieces in a delicious spicy gravy. And there you have it. Our delicious and spicy tofu varuval is ready to be enjoyed. Serve it with some hot steamed rice or any flatbreads of your choice. The combination of aromatic spices, crispy tofu and spicy masala creates a delightful medley of flavors in this dish. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more mouth-watering recipes. Until next time, happy cooking!